Imagine waking up surrounded by nature, with a peaceful river flowing right outside your doorstep, far away from the chaotic rush of city life. It sounds like a dream, but for some, this is everyday reality. Nestled perfectly into this breathtaking landscape sits a brilliant piece of modern architecture, a luxury tiny home completely engineered and built inside a recycled 40-foot shipping container. Step inside, and any idea you had about container homes being cramped instantly disappears. The interior boasts an open concept layout that masterfully balances high-end luxury with minimalist efficiency. The living area is designed for ultimate relaxation, featuring a comfortable sofa, a sleek entertainment setup, and a bold black accent wall that gives the space a distinct, sophisticated character. Right next to it is a chef's dream in miniature form. This full-size kitchen contrasts striking black subway tiles with clean white countertops, equipped with a retro-style refrigerator, a modern stovetop, and plenty of smart storage. It proves you don't need massive space to cook in style. You can enjoy your morning coffee at this built-in bar table, which frames a gorgeous panoramic view of the outdoors through a massive, elongated window. And when the weather is nice, the living space extends onto a spacious wooden deck. It's the perfect spot for outdoor dining, grilling, or just soaking in the fresh countryside air. Even the bathroom feels like a boutique hotel. It features pristine white vertical tiles, black hardware, and a stunning walk-in shower lined with geometric hexagon tiles, offering a spa-like experience. Finally, we reach the master bedroom at the end of the container. It's a cozy sanctuary, made extra special by this custom geometric trapezoid window that floods the room with natural light and frames the forest outside, like a living piece of art. This home is the ultimate proof that with smart design and a bit of creativity, you can live sustainably without ever sacrificing luxury. So, could you see yourself living in a container home like this?